we're starting up a battery plant in North Carolina. One of the strategies that we have that team is looking at is what I call digital first, right? I want to give them, if you need help, this is the digital first mechanism, ask agent, ask first, to get that help. And so we are trying to promote that. We have signage that we're trying to put out there and promote that capability. Maybe as people get onboarded and hired in, we give them a laptop, we give them a phone, we give them all these different things. Let's show them the best way that they can get help. And so as we start driving more and more people into that agent, it's about them knowing that that's a valuable resource for them to get answers. And as soon as they start seeing that the answers come to them in seconds versus waiting for someone to call them back and give them the answer, or waiting online for a help desk person to answer the call, they're going to see a lot more value. The other thing we're doing is, I mentioned that I want this to be an employee co-pilot, which means it's not just about IT. We're serving up HR answers as well using Moveworks. And in the future, I want to serve up finance questions, whether you have questions about different areas of the business. As long as we build those knowledge bases and start providing all these answers, then just imagine it's so much easier to go in and ask a chatbot, what's my leave policy, than to have to look through a policy and read through all the details. And so this is where generative AI is really going to help us in the generative components of Moveworks, because it can take those policy documents and condense it into a response that makes sense for the user.